So, let's do this.
Yeah.
Alright, well, Agent Koala. And
He's Agent Koala in our newest video.
I am.
And I'm Agent Brown, and we're detectives. And we're gonna go around solving mysteries, like Scooby-Doo, except not in the 70s.
Yeah. You know, we're not gonna get caught.
And our bad guys are real.
Yeah, our bad guys generally aren't. You know,
Fast.
the good guy disguised.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, well. Why is my name Agent Koala, sir?
My hand looks weird. It looks like it's just coming in from nowhere. Anyway.
Yeah, let's knock it off topic.
So, you're wondering if we should make our detectiveness into a series or not.
Yeah, that'll be nice.
So, leave us a comment down there. Letting us know if we should, on that video. But, you just got a text message from someone named Miss Camel. Here. Who's Miss Camel?
It's my friend Val.
Why is she called Miss Camel?
Because we were talking about camels one day, and it just, I don't know, I was making camel noises and she said they turned her on.
Camels turned her on?
Yeah, so then she put me in her phone as Mr. Camel.
That's a little strange.
Yeah, so I put her in my phone as Mrs. Camel. What?
Does it remember the what?
Mm-hmm.
Alright. So, yeah, we had an interesting day. It was very windy. It was crazy. It was like a storm of death.
It was quite gusty outside.
Like, we didn't even have to ride our bikes. It was just like doing it for us. That was pretty gay.
No, it really was. That wasn't even planned.
No, it wasn't. But I have to.
What are you getting?
You talk. Talk. You have to be awesome. Feel awesome.
My friend is being really stupid. I'm not sure what he's doing. Now he's sitting on my iPod. He knows that.
Just so we don't make this blog as long as the last one, I think we should probably end this soon.
Alright, so, yeah, some people wanted shoutouts.
Yeah, so we're just going to give a few shoutouts too.
Alright, so we'll do shoutouts.
You do one, then I'll do one.
Alright, so, first shoutout is going to be to Molly.
You skipped Megan.
I know, well...
Christian skipped Megan because he thinks she doesn't deserve one because she has one in the last one.
I gave her
I'll give Megan one. I love you, Megan.
I don't.
And I'm giving you a shout out. Yeah, me too. And I'm going to get you your pit money soon.
The next one's going to be to Monica.
Yeah. Have a nice shout out, Monica. And the last one's mine, Jackie. I love you. I can't wink. Which eye is it that my hair's not covering? So was that dumb winking?
That was
that like
stupid.
A pedophile wink or like sexy?
Like
wink?
Matt Carey?
Just joking, Matt. He thinks you're a pedophile. I don't. I think you're a nice guy. You're just off the beaten path a little. But you're real down to earth.
Not really. Unless he's short.
What? You're short. It's alright.
Alright guys, okay. Alright guys, so like, let's just wrap this bad boy up.
Yeah. So, I guess, bye. I sound like a fart. No.
Like 4 farts.
4 fart. McGoiter, you're so funny.
McGoiter.
Alright, so, see you next week or the week after that.
See you around town. Unless you don't live in our town.
Which you probably don't, because you probably make more than $20 a year.
That's a ghetto reference.
Alright, so, bye.